How to fix Roblox installing every time I open it. I'm gonna give you 6 fixes for this. The first one is if you're launching via browser, a corrupt cache may prevent Roblox from recognizing that it's installed. So clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart it and try again. Second, add Roblox to antivirus and firewall exceptions. Security software may be removing or blocking Roblox files. Look in your antivirus quarantine section and restore Roblox if present and whitelisted. You can also temporarily disable real-time protection to test if that resolves the issue, then re-enable and whitelist Roblox if it works. Third, fully uninstall and clean residual files. Make sure no remnants are left behind. Uninstall Roblox via Control Panel or Applications. Delete leftover folders, which are in App Data, Local, and then Roblox on Windows. On macOS, it's Library, then Roblox Caches. Fourth, reinstall Roblox completely. Reboot your computer, then install Roblox using a fresh downloaded installer from the official website. Ensure no other programs are running during installation. Fifth, run Roblox as administrator. Right-click the Roblox launcher, go to Properties, Compatibility, and check Run this program as an administrator and apply. This helps bypass permission issues that could trigger reinstallation loops. And sixth, try a clean boot. Press Windows and R at the same time and type in msconfig. Then choose Selective Startup. Under the Services tab, hide all Microsoft services, then disable the rest. Disable all startup items via Task Manager. Reboot, reinstall Roblox, and test. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.